What up, what up, what up? Future Line 619 here in the building, and I just want to show y'all that we finally got some rain, the first rain of the season. I know you can hear it. Look at that. Roses and whatnot, all flooded over. They don't need that much water. I'm pretty sure you can't tell. That's the sky, but yeah, it's coming down real hard. Like, real hard. Look at that. All off of my garage and stuff like that. Oh man. And I was just in it too. And I ran home. Because the store is like around that corner, literally. And I ran back. And it looked like I was swimming in neck-high water. Yeah. I'm already getting rained on. Brave that cold. Yeah. Yeah, it's coming down. I guess it's supposed to be hot again. I'm in California, by the way. So, Southern California, that is. And my neighborhood's flooded. I ain't going out there today. Well, not for a little bit, because I got work. But, yeah. You see it coming down right there. Get your kid inside the house. Hurry. Hurry. I didn't need it. It's loud out here, though. Yeah, I just want to show you guys that. That is raining out here. Alright, I'm out.